Good morning. It's Wednesday. Is it? Yeah, it's Wednesday. This is the day that you'll be seeing this because I haven't recorded very much vlog footage. I don't even know if I've recorded anything, so if you've got stuff before this, then I guess you're lucky. If you haven't, then I apologise. The last week, whenever I last recorded something, I have no idea. Anyway, the last week from like last Wednesday has been kind of, you know, busy. Been planning some stuff and all of that, you know. Friday I had my live draw along session where we drew a cheetah eye study. I think I put that away, but let me show you guys. I'm forever scared that there is going to be a spider that pops out of this because it's happened once before and I'm like, it's going to happen again. Yeah, so here is the cheetah eye study. So this was the live draw along session with the $14 tier on Patreon and the club puffins. Really pleased with the outcome of this actually, because there's some different fur textures going on, nice glassy eye and everything. I need to spray it with some fixative because the colours look a little bit kind of dull. I need to add some fixative just to make it pop a little bit more. So yeah, that's what I did Friday. Monday I didn't do any drawing. I was scheduled to do some drawing because I have another tutorial that needs to go out, which is a squirrel. I haven't even started it and it's due out Friday, so that's going to be late. But I needed to sort out some other admin tasks ready for next Monday because this January has actually flown for me. I don't know if anybody else has experienced this, but it's just absolutely flown and yeah, time has just vanished. So I made myself a little to-do list of everything that needs to be done for a new launch, which is happening on Monday the 1st. So you guys are getting like first-hand info, unless you subscribe to my mailing list, in which case you would have found out yesterday. Basically, I have decided, because I was going to wait to do the fur library and put it up, I've decided that there is already enough in the fur library to warrant putting it up for sale. And instead of doing a fixed price like I was going to, I'm initially doing it as a subscription and seeing how it goes. So there is now going to be access to just the fur library and the fur content that I offer for £5 per month via my website. There is it is also available on Patreon, but this is specifically for people that want to follow fur tutorials and apply it to their own pet portraits and wildlife, but don't necessarily want all of the other content that Club Puffin offers. So people that don't necessarily want like critiques and live streams and full wildlife stuff and that kind of thing. And the fur library is something that once I've added all of the different furs, I think I've got, how many more have I got? So I've got 23 up at the moment, and I've got 36, so I've got another 13 to add, but they're not like really important furs. I've got the main furs on at the moment. So an introductory price, or the subscription price of £5 per month, and then I'm thinking about in April, when I've got them all and they can be nicely packaged and everything, I'm thinking of introducing like a fixed price one-off fee. I'm not sure what to do because I don't want to undermine like anybody that belongs to Club Puffin that has been paying for a little while, and I don't want to undermine anybody on Patreon or anything like that by offering something that's a fixed price. But what I'm initially thinking, and I would like your feedback if possible, is that I'm going to, in April, offer a fixed price fee. I'm not sure what that fee will be. People have told me that it needs to be, like, because it's quite a lot of content, people have told me that it needs to be a larger sum, like around the £100 mark, and I'm like, no. I can't justify it being that much. So Simon suggested that it's like £75 for all of the fur videos, and also we'll be adding you'll like get access to PDFs as well. So there'll be a PDF version of each fur tutorial, and there'll also be a video version of each tutorial. And Simon's like, it needs to be £75. I'm not so sure. I don't know about the pricing, and I don't know whether to actually offer a lump fee for it either. But if I might put out a survey to the newsletter to see what people prefer. But those people that do happen to sign up to a monthly subscription of £5 per month, you'll be 2 months before I decide whether or not I'm going to offer a fixed fee for lifetime access. But those people that do take the subscription option, for the moment, however much they paid in a monthly subscription, that will get taken off of the price of the lump fee. So I won't be like, oh, here's a subscription and then there's a lump fee. Any subscription payments that you've paid up until a point where I decide there's going to be a fixed fee, and then you just get access to it all regardless, lifetime access, that subscription fee, those subscription fees will be taken off of the lump price, if that makes sense. So I don't know whether to offer it for a lifetime access price and then that's it and that's done, or whether to just keep it as a subscription. I'm putting it out as a subscription for the time being, mainly just to kind of see how popular it is, but also with the PDFs and everything, I am going to be turning them into an actual physical book, like having a book printed of all of the different fur and everything, as well as a digital PDF as well. So yeah, I've just decided to put out the fur library at an additional subscription rate, or a new subscription rate of £5, just for those people that just want the fur. Obviously Club Puffin obviously gets the fur and everything included as well, so Club Puffin is, I'm actually increasing the price as well, which I was really dubious to do because I hate increasing prices, but Club Puffin has been running for 4 years now, almost, and it stayed £10 for the entire time. I haven't put the prices up, I haven't done anything to them. The only thing I've done is offered like annual discounts, free trials and that kind of thing, like every now and then. So I'm actually putting it up, not by a lot. It's going up from £10 per month to £12 per month. For biannual it's going up from 55 to 65, and then annual it's going up from 100 to 120. So in essence, still you're kind of getting 2 months free if you do the annual, a month free if you do the biannual, and then just monthly. We've changed views because Simon's just come back into the office, and I'm still weird about recording vlog footage in front of Simon. Yeah, I'm unsure what to do regarding pricing. Whether to offer, just continue it as a subscription, or whether to offer lifetime access. Need to weigh up the pros and cons, I think, but either way people are going to need to be, if there's a lifetime access, I have the thing of, if I ever decide to move servers or anything again like that, then I'm going to have to move all those people over and make sure that they are there, unless I offer like downloading of the videos. I'm not sure what to do. So yeah, there's that. I don't want to have people pay, you know, a large sum and then 2-3 years then, you know, potential things go wrong with a server or whatever, and then it gets taken away. That's just annoying when that happens. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, what you think would be best for this kind of situation. Either way, Monday I'm launching the fur library as a subscription, so if you are interested in learning how to draw fur and want it at a reduced, well not reduced rate, but a rate that isn't Club Puffin of £10, you want it for a £5 per month, it's going to be available. The only thing that won't be available is there won't be any PDFs, because I don't want people to subscribe for like £5 for 1 month and then download all the PDFs and then cancel their subscription. So at the moment I'm keeping the PDFs if I ever decide to do the lifetime access thing, or just keeping the PDFs for when I have all of the fur things together and then just selling the PDF as a packaged product for for people to follow that way. I think that might be actually a better way to do it, is just have a subscription for the videos, and then if people want a one-off payment, then they can purchase either a physical book or a PDF book of all of the fur tutorials. That might be an easier way to do it. Yeah, that's what I've been doing Monday. So I've got everything set up, got the new subscription product and everything, changed the way that you access the Puffin dashboard and the fur library. Now when you go to log in, it takes you to like an option page, and either or, where you can choose Puffin dashboard or the fur library, and then it'll take you to the content that you're subscribed to. I've tested that out. If you have purchased the fur library, you can't access Club Puffin, but if you're on Club Puffin, then you can access either. So yeah, that's all done. Today I should really work on the squirrel, but I also need to work on this commission of these Sphinx cats. So I think what I'm going to do today, because it's already 10 o'clock, like way past 10 o'clock now, I'm going to edit whatever I have in this, like this clip, plus whatever I may have had for this vlog, to get it up for today. And then I'm just going to work on the Sphinx cats, or Sphinx cat, try and get at least it like near completion. Just put on a film, a couple films, and just work on that today, because I really need to get it done. This is the thing with taking commissions, like I didn't want to pass up this commission, but also kind of yeah, commissions do take me a little while with everything else that's going on. So I'm just picking up picking stock and packaging some orders, so I'm gonna record him packaging up some stuff for you guys, so there's a little bit extra. Another exciting thing is that James has actually got an extra day at play school, so he'll now go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, have Thursdays off, and then go Friday, and then have the weekend off. So it gives us an extra work day, which is fantastic because we have goals to reach. So I'm really looking forward to that. That starts next week. So from after this weekend, he'll be going 4 days a week. Really good news. Anyway, I'm going to get to drawing, and I will catch you guys next week.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights.